Ma'am, I am Anushka Srivastav of class 8C. Here I have prepared a presentation on Carnatic Wars. In the 18th century, this war was fought between the French and the British for control over the coastal strip of the present day Tamil Nadu, known at that times in as Carnatic. These war came to be known as Carnatic Wars. The Carnatic region was under the possession of the Nizam of Hyderabad. First Carnatic War. About First Carnatic War. The First Carnatic War was fought from 1744 to 1748. It was fought between English and French in India. The first struggle between the English and French in India was in Echo. The War of Austrian Succession was broke out in Europe. What are the causes of Carnatic Wars? First Carnatic War. The disintegration of Mughal Empire, the growing trade rivalry of the English and the French, and distributed all the affairs in Karnataka. Of course, emboldened the French and the English to settle their scores with each other. Second Carnatic War. About Second Carnatic War. This war was fought over issues of succession in the Carnatic and Hyderabad. The French army defeated by English. This war was extended between 1748 to 1754. Cause of Second Carnatic War. The cause of Second Carnatic War was interference of the English and the French in politics of the native rulers to view and encasing their political power and area of influence. Ashraf Jah, Nizam ul Mulk of Hyderabad, died in May 1748. Third Carnatic War. About Third Carnatic War. The Third Carnatic War was spread beyond southern India and into Bengal, where British forces captured their French settlement of Chandir Nagar. In 1757, after Vandish was the French capital of Pondicherry fell to the British in 1761. Cause of Third Carnatic War. The outbreak of 7 Years' War in Europe was 1756 resulted new conflict between French and British force in India. Carnatic Wars. The picture of army. My name is Anushka Srivastav and I study in class 8C. My roll number is 19. Social assignment is about Carnatic Wars. Submitted to Neha ma'am. Thank you.